Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and can you guess the parking garage? I'm in Atlantic City at resorts. I'm going to do a room tour today, heading over to the Ocean Tower. There's two towers here at the resorts. There's the Rendezvous Tower, which is the newer one, and then there's the Ocean Tower, which is the original, really old one, and that's where we're going today. The Ocean Tower, aptly named for its close proximity to the beach and boardwalk, has been a favorite of resorts guests since the property opened as Atlantic City's first casino in 1978. The 480-room Ocean Tower offers views of the Atlantic Ocean, beach, the world-famous boardwalk, and the back bays of the Atlantic City region. Guests staying in the Ocean Tower have convenient access to resort's health spa, fitness center, indoor-outdoor pool, sun deck, the dining level, the casino, gift shops, the boardwalk, beach, and ocean. When guests choose the Ocean Tower, they're always just steps away from everything resorts in Atlantic City has to offer. As I told you guys in a previous video just a week or two ago, I'm revisiting all the hotels and casinos here in Atlantic City, both on the boardwalk and on the marina side, to see what, if anything, has changed in the past year or two since I visited them. And again, today we're visiting the Ocean Tower here at resorts. Coming up shortly will be the Rendezvous Tower and, of course, a thorough tour of the entire resort. So stay tuned for those. Tonight I'm staying in room 847 of the Ocean Tower. It's 2 queen beds, non-smoking. Built in 1927, the 260-foot tall Ocean Tower is the original Hadden Hall hotel building, and like I said, contains 480 guest rooms. The base of the tower is home to the main casino floor, a spa, a pool. The main retail and dining levels are also located in this tower. It also contains the 350-seat Starlight Ballroom, and again, all these will be explored thoroughly when I do a thorough tour of the entire complex. The last time I stayed at the Ocean Tower here at resorts was about, I'm going to say 2 years ago, and it was a Jimmy Buffett-inspired Margaritaville type room, and I had a great stay there as well. That video is still available here on the New York channel. This building itself will be celebrating its 100th birthday in a year or two, and well, as with all older buildings, the rooms are somewhat smaller than you find elsewhere here along the boardwalk, and the bathrooms are some of the smallest bathrooms I've seen not only in Atlantic City, but in my entire life. We'll get to the bathroom in a moment. And while the building itself is old, it's got modern amenities like lots of outlets and USB ports. This bottom drawer had me wondering if it's a dummy, if it's stuck, or is there a hidden treasure inside? I couldn't open it. Orange happens to be my favorite color, so I have no problems with the drapery. The workstation was roomy and comfortable, and again, lots of outlets and USB ports, and I was quite comfortable working here editing videos once I cleared everything off. Resorts is one of the few hotels that offer you free bottled water, and that's very nice. I just came from the Golden Nugget, spent the night there. They charge $4 per bottle. Doesn't make any difference to me. I always travel with my own water. But my advice to you guys is if you see bottled water in your room, don't assume that it's free. Check for a sign and see if there's a charge. I checked in later than usual today, and Doherty's, a steakhouse downstairs, has a great late night happy hour, and I checked that happy hour out several times, and there's a video over on the Jersey Jeff Eats channel if you want to check it out. One of my favorite late night happy hours in town. Although the room is smaller than average, as well as the closet and definitely the bathroom, there's plenty of drawers for storage here. With of course the exception of that mystery drawer in between the beds. And of course, unlike Las Vegas, Atlantic City has an empty refrigerator for your goodies in just about every room in town. And the television is your average size hotel television. Lately I've been having some technical difficulties with TVs here in town, but this one was fine. As you can see, there's another door here to a connecting room if you want to book them that way, and there's also a full-length mirror so I can check myself out before I head down to that happy hour. Hey guys, if you're enjoying the videos here and you're not subscribed to the New York channel, and I don't know why you wouldn't be, it's easy. Just click on that little New York logo in the lower right hand corner of your screen. It's free and you get lots of cool content. If you're enjoying this room tour video in particular, give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, share it with your friends on social media. That gets the video more views and the channel new subscribers. Finally, if you'd like to help support the New York channel, then why not become a member? It's only $2.99 a month. You get lots of pretty cool perks, including exclusive videos that only members can see, and I'd like to give a shout out to the newest member of the New York channel, Emilio. He spells his name with a lot of O's. Thanks so much for becoming the newest member here on the channel, Emilio. I do appreciate your support. The closet was average size, which is pretty cool considering how old this building is. Now let's check out that bathroom. Now typically I travel alone, and normally I would find a room this size, well, adequate for one person. Definitely not for two, definitely not for a family. But even by myself, I had a hard time with the sink in the morning. There's no place to put your toothbrush, or it falls on the floor, or any toiletries you might have. You have to use these shelves, but the shelves are occupied by cups and tissues, and it's just a nightmare. It's very small. And that's pretty much been the case every time I stay in the Ocean Tower. Now the Rendezvous Tower, which that video will be coming shortly, has a much larger bathroom, and the room itself is one of the largest in Atlantic City. And by that I mean one of the largest standard rooms in Atlantic City. And while I had no problem with the plumbing, which is good for a building this age, the mirror itself was kind of worn down, and as you can see, the edges were missing silver. Even the shower wasn't a standard size shower, but it was adequate. The tub really serves no purpose unless you're traveling maybe with a toddler or a poodle, or a toy poodle at that. I think this is one of those scenarios where if you're traveling with one of those hang-up toiletry cases, you know, the kind with the hook on the end, it might really serve a purpose in this particular room. At least you'll have a place to put your stuff. As I mentioned, I checked in later than usual, and it was nighttime out, and the last time I was here I had a great ocean view. This time, well, of course it's nighttime, so the view isn't that great, but I have a nice view of the Hard Rock. And that's pretty much it as far as a tour of the room here in the Ocean Tower here at Resorts. I hope you enjoyed the tour. Again, if you're traveling alone, this room might serve you well. It's comfortable, it's clean. The bathroom is uncomfortably small, however. That being said, if you're coming here and you're staying at Resorts, I definitely suggest you check out the Rendezvous Tower if you're traveling with others, especially a family. Lots more videos coming to the New York channel, including lots more tours, extensive tours of the hotels and casinos, as well as their rooms coming up shortly. Don't forget, check out the Jersey Jeff Eats channel and a new channel coming to the New York network, if you will, a third channel. That should be released, I'm going to say, in about a week or two, so stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you around the city.